Very good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. I'm on the chart of both Nifty, this is Nifty chart, as well as the 25,900 and call option to show you what is happening in the market. Now, carefully observe the chart on your screen. One is Nifty, this is the Nifty spot, and the other is 25,900 collar option. First, let us understand what Nifty is doing. Nifty is not trending. It is moving again and again inside the price zone. This is the price zone. This is the low and this is the high. Okay. Every time price goes near the 26,000, here you can see it made a high of 26,009 and it could not cross the pre-market high of 25,009 and pre-market open of 25,997. Every time it made an attempt to go to that level. Every time when it goes near 26,000, sellers immediately come in. And every time price comes near 25,900 here, the buyers are stepping in. Buyers are stepping in and also they are defending the range. This tells us one very important thing. The market is in balance, not in trend. There is no fresh value creation happening here. You can see candles are overlapping. They are overlapping. There is no spread apart. Not like this, not like this. They are overlapping. And the price is rotating around this one Gan Hilo. You can see Gan Hilo is flipping between red magenta to blue, blue to magenta. That means from here to here, for a scalper, it is a good opportunity to do that. This is pure auction behavior. Big players are not interested in chasing price. Now, look at the 25,900 call option. When Nifty went up near the highs, did the call option expand strongly? No. You can see it stalled at previous day high, 211.90. So instead, the call option got rejected near 200 and 210, and after that, every bounce it has been getting sold. So finally, it has come down to, it made a low of 138 and finally closed around 157.8. You can see every bounce is sold. This is clearly shows call writing. If the market was genuinely bullish, the call option would have shown aggressive expansion. There is no expansion of the call option. Here, there was an expansion here. On the left side, you can see the call option expanded so much from the level of 70 to 211. Later, now price is not expanding. Here the call option is bleeding slowly, which means upside confidence is missing. Now combine both the things together. Nifty is stuck in the range. Whereas the call option is not supporting upside. This tells us that the market is capping the upside, not preparing for break out above 26,000. So what is the highest probability trade here? As long as Nifty remains between 25,900 to 26,000, only range trades will work. Near the range high, selling pressure comes in. Near the range low, buying support appears. Directional trading will work only after acceptance outside. Acceptance outside this value. Outside means above the high or below the low. Then only you can expect a trending move, trade rotation, trade patience. So, trade with structure. Then do not expect a trending move, trade rotation, trade patience, trade with structure. Always remember, when the market is in balance, direction traders suffer and range traders survive. So one could have done scalping. See how you could have done scalping. Let me enable my this one. Let me take out this indicator and only enable weekly POC and show you. Let me take out. Okay. So with the indicator, let me see. If I zoom in, let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame. The morning, you can see this is the point of control. Let me zoom in. This is the point of control. Price got rejected from this area. 25,986. Then you could have entered into 26,000 put option. Though everything is very range is very minimal, you could have, of course, you could have traded with this. It made a low of 105 and ranged up to 157. This is the scalping opportunity you got into the market. Okay. Let me enable only weekly POC and show you. See how the price got accepted, and with this help, with the help of this, you could have taken and rolling pivot, GAN Hilo, you could have taken buy and sell at this. See, you could have taken put option and here you could have entered call option. So alternating between this, you could have made a little bit of money because the Nifty was in a range of only 82 points. If I show you, measure this range from here to here, this was only 72 to 72 points, 73 points. Only delta if the either call option or the put option, if it has got 0.5 delta, then you could have scalped for 30 points. If that too very precisely, if you would have entered, you can enter with the help of my indicator. This is market memory POC. You can do very good scalping. You could have taken put option over here, and again you could have entered into the put option till this, and you could have made money. You could have made money. You can see around 10:45. Let me change the time frame to 5 minutes. See, around 10:45 here, around this, price getting accepted from the POC. That is around 118 rupees. You could have scalped to 160, 159.9 rupees. So it was a rotation. Like this, you could have scalped. And also, this is my EP indicator, intraday EP indicator I've used for, and this is option zone. Whenever the price climbed above the option zone, you could have comfortably taken position and rallied up to, you could have kept the stop loss here, and from 129 to 159. You can guess how much points. That is only 30 points if you would have entered properly. Proper entry could have made with the help of POC. POC, and this is the, this will act as your stop loss, 112. Price, this protected the put option on the lower side, and intraday 117.8, and the market touched only twice to this level. So it was sell on 156, buy on 118. Finally, the market closed around 137. Like that, put option you could have done, even call option also. You could have done the call option. Let me go to the call option, 26,000. This is 25,900 call option. Buy at this level around 138, rally up to 173. So 30 points only you could have, from here, you could have taken the, this is call writing was taking place rather than supporting. Price was getting rejected. You could have gone for selling the call option here, 167. If you would have sold the call option, you could have made 30 points. 30 points, or if you would have written the call option around 190 solid, you could have made around 50 points in the call writing, fetched more money rather than buying. So friends, this is how the Nifty is doing. Nifty is doing, let me change it to 65 minutes. And let us analyze what the market is doing. What is the direction of the market? If we see the direction of the market, it is from here. If we put a line, let me remove all the things. Okay, I have removed everything. See, market is from here, it gapped up, it is consolidating. Consolidating, and this is the point of control. Point of control over here, as long as the price stays above 25,886, there is no directional selling or trend move in the on the Nifty. Once it starts breaking below 25,883, once it starts breaking below 25,883 to 878, then you can anticipate for a directional move on the Nifty. Then next level of point of control. Point of control is around 25,754. The market is stalling over here. Probably downward expansion we can see in the market once it starts falling below the 25,880. This is the value area low and this is the value area high. Still the price is hugging to value area high. So, friends, this is the analysis of the Nifty. This is how, with the help of my indicator, you can make clearly what is happening on the Nifty as well as on the call option. You can utilize the in my indicator for scalping also. You can trade from the POC to the value area high to value area low. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.